All right, y'all, today I'll be swapping out these cracked reflector lenses for the turn signals on R129 for some amber ones. This side is cracked. This side actually flew off a couple days ago. The lens just totally flew off clean at about 40 miles an hour. So we'll be swapping those out right now. Here we have a brand new set of OE Magneti Morelli replacement corners. These are the early pre-facelift car style with the full US spec light amber. I do prefer the Euro spec darker orange, kind of a more intense orange than this, but this will do for now. I definitely prefer this to the half amber, half clear that the US spec facelift cars have. The all clear ones look okay on certain cars. I just prefer this look. So we'll be doing that. This should take no more than a few minutes. All right, so with the hood popped, you can kind of see there's actually a tab at the very corner of each side of the engine bay. Hard to see on this side with the washer fluid reservoir, but we'll use this side for example. Kind of tucked away. Pretty much just have to pull and release the entire housing. You can see it loosen up, just kind of pull it forward, wiggle it out. We'll disconnect the actual light bulb itself on both sides, and the whole housing should just slide on right out. Funnily enough, there is another R129 SL right over there. There we go. Oh, there's a clip. Should mention that cars that came with either the US spec half amber, half clear housings, the Euro spec clears, you should have an orange bulb, and it looks like my bulb is, well, the orange coating is almost all gone, but the bulb still works, and it's actually not going to matter because we'll be moving to the amber housing, so it should be fine. And the new one just pretty much slides in place perfectly, which is nice. Just have to respray this whole bumper down and get that fixed up, but it's looking pretty good. I like this much better than the clear look compared to that, so a step in the right direction. And these are coming soon at some point, maybe. And check it out, here's the final look with both the ambers in. Just washed the car after almost a month. Don't mind people screaming in the background. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. It's going to be even better with the mono blocks, and of course when I fix up that bumper. Anyways guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.